means that this is the DNA replication which we have studied last time. You can see this is a structure of DNA, and this is double helical structure of DNA which was discovered by Watson and DNA replication means DNA जब अपने आप को replicate करता है and it start making copies. तो ये DNA का strand है. आप देखो सबसे पहला उसका step है ये this whole one is the step number 1 where you can see this is unwinding of DNA and separation of two strands. सबसे पहला स्टेप हमारे पास क्या है कि डीएनए ने अनवाइंड होना है. अनवाइंडिंग मींस जो उसके ऊपर बल चढ़े हुए हैं दैट इज गोइंग टू बी ओपन. यू कैन सी इट एंड व्हाट हैपेंस, ये दो स्ट्रैंड्स हैं, दे आर गोइंग टू बी सेपरेटेड आउट. देन व्हाट हैपन इन द सेकंड स्टेप, यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम. आई एम जस्ट रिपीटिंग इट सो दैट आपका फ्लो दोबारा से बन जाए हमारे होमवर्क लास्ट चैप्टर का. This is the open strand and these are new nucleotides. You can see there are two different kind of nucleotides of purple color and it might vary in your book as well. Right, so this is new nucleotides which are going to be introduced in different strands. After that क्या होता है, this nucleotide make another ladder, एक और बना लेता है और इस तरीके से इसके साथ attach हो जाता है and the other one nucleotide is going to be attached and forming a new strand. So we can get instead of one DNA we get two DNA. नए हमारे पास रेप्लिका बन जाते हैं, कॉपी बन जाती है DNA की. So this is how the DNA replicates itself and it has one old strand and one new strand. Right now ये सारा का सारा last time हमने पढ़ लिया था. Now we are moving in the next page, on the next page which is page number 35. That is a new topic now, which is introduction of gene into bacterium. Before starting that, let me tell you a very brief something about it, that how basically gene is inserted into the bacteria. Bacterium is basically singular of bacteria. ठीक है, ये gene हम किस तरीके से inoculate करते हैं, separate out करते हैं, and how we insert it in the bacteria that give multiple copies of our desired thing. Like अगर मैंने वैक्सीन बनानी है, like अगर हम आजकल के दौर की बात करते हैं, we are talking about वैक्सीन ऑफ कोविड-19, कोरोना की वैक्सीनेशन की बात करते हैं, तो हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल कि वो इतनी सारी बन जाती हैं. दिस इज पॉसिबल विद दिस टेक्निक बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड वी इंट्रोड्यूस द जीन into the bacterium and after that it is getting copied and we will get so many different copies of that particular vaccination, that particular thing. अब जो टेक्निक यूज की जाती है इन द बायोटेक्नोलॉजी वी कॉल इट जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग. we are inoculating something. inoculate होता है कि किसी चीज को एडअप करना, पैचअप करना. तो उस ऑल ऑफ यू नो कि जीन जो है, जीन्स क्या है, जीन्स आर द मेजर पोर्शन, मेजर पार्ट ऑफ आवर क्रोमोसोम्स दैट मेक स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. और उसके अंदर सारी की सारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस के जीन जो है ये चीज प्रोड्यूस करेगी, ये इसका कलर इस तरह का होगा, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट all the things. Now in this topic you have two different terminologies which you have to learn. Number one is donor and the other one is transgenic. Donor क्या होता है? Donor is you can say donor is something जिसने donate करना है. Like you can see different things जहाँ पे लिखा होता है कि different donors की जरूरत है, blood donors की, the person who can donate blood. So donor word is derived from the person who wants to donate, जो देना चाह रहा है. And over here the other one जिसके अंदर हमने वो जीन इंसर्ट करनी है, उस बैक्टीरियम को हम, उस ऑर्गेनिज्म को हम बोलेंगे ट्रांसजेनिक ऑर्गेनिज्म. राइट, so I'm going to read it line by line. You can see genes act as instructions to make specific substances. What are that specific substances? They are different kind of proteins which are used for specific structural and physiological purposes in the body. Specific structural and physiological purpose means कि आपका फर्दर वो जो जीन हम इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं उसकी क्या शेप होगी, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट, एंड फिजियोलॉजिकल के उसका रोल क्या होगा, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी technique by which it is going to be inserted in an organism, right? So you can see what we are going to do. We are going to first select it. So I was telling you that the vaccination came quite late because the scientists were finding out that which kind of organism they are going to select for making different replicas, different copies of that particular vaccine. So it requires a lot of time. So what they do, they select and isolate. Isolate means separate karna, the useful gene from our organism. Let's say if there is the gene present in some particular animal, that then they find out the solutions that how we are going to separate it. वो ही पर्टिकुलर जीन उस चीज की हमें किस तरीके से सेपरेट आउट करनी है. दिस ऑल विल डन अंडर द जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम वन ऑर्गेनिज्म. अब जिस ऑर्गेनिज्म से उस चीज को एक्सट्रैक्ट आउट किया जाएगा दैट इज नोन एज डोनर ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड इंसर्ट इट. इंसर्ट होता है उसमें एड अप कर देना इट इनटू एन अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म, यूजुअली बैक्टीरियम. यूजुअली हम इस पर्पस के लिए क्या चीज यूज करते हैं, वी यूज बैक्टीरियाज. ताकि बैक्टीरिया को हम क्यों यूज करते हैं, बिकॉज बैक्टीरियाज हैज द एबिलिटी कि वो बहुत जल्दी मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है. that if we are getting something तो वो बहुत जल्दी ability रखता है that it can produce very well our desired product within few time. उसकी different colonies, multiple colonies बनती चली जाती हैं and we get medicine, vaccinations, सारी की सारी चीजें हम इस तरीके से gain कर लेते हैं. The organism that contains a foreign gene in its cell is called transgenic organism. The inserted gene produces the desired product protein in transgenic organism. अब आगे practically है कि how do basically it is performed. Now you can see why do scientists use bacteria in genetic engineering. You can see there is a box. Do you know a bacterial cell divides to form two daughter cells within 20 minutes. So you can see it is really very easy for a bacteria to be divided within only 20 minutes. ये बहुत पुरानी बात है, but now new research says that bacteria can very easily divide within fraction of seconds. Means if you are going to inoculate, adding something, inserting something, you get after few minutes the thing, right? So bacterial cell, these are the basically reasons that why we used bacteria. Bacterial cell is very simple and easy to grow. It does not have an organized nucleus. The chromosomes consisting of DNA floats in the cytoplasm. You can see this is the cytoplasm, which is jelly-like fluid in which nucleus and chromosomes are present. Floats in the cytoplasm. Additional circular pieces of DNA. This is a new thing for you, that this is a new part of the cell known as plasmids. Plasmid is very very important structure because इसी plasmid से हमने further सारे का सारा process carry out करना है. ये देखें, ये लिखा हुआ है plasmids. These are basically circular pieces of DNA and they are also present in the cytoplasm. Now what we do, plasmids can be easily isolated. This part plasmid, इसको हम आराम से isolate कर सकते हैं from a bacterial cell and a gene can be attached with it. और इसके साथ हम gene को attach कर देते हैं. Like अगर आप छोटी सी example इस तरह की लें, you have two different kind of papers. एक आपके पास blue color का है and the other one is of red color. You want to join it and want to make a new paper जो कि दोनों के parts जिसमें होंगे. What will you do? You are going to add up that particular other color in the first one. Like अगर आपने blue है उसके साथ red की joining करनी है, या तो आप blue वाले को half काट दोगे, and अगर आपने A4 size का paper लिया है, what you are going to do, you are going to attach with glue with that blue one. तो आपके पास half one is of blue and half one you will get of red color. So आप क्या करोगे, इस purpose को पूरा करने के लिए you are needing particular kind of paper scissor for cutting purposes. Similarly, we have some scissors, some instruments to cut that gene, to cut that plasmid. ठीक है, उसको कट करते हैं and then जो हमने अपनी मर्जी की चीज का लगानी है, we are going to fix it that, और दोबारा से हम उसको insert कर देते हैं, दोबारा से हम उसी चीज को उसी बैक्टीरिया के अंदर add up कर देते हैं और फिर finally after some time हमें उसकी नई replicas मिल जाती हैं. ठीक है, so you can see additional circular pieces. ये हो गया, plasmids can be easily isolated from a bacterial and a gene can be attached with it. Plasmid can carry the attached foreign gene into the bacterium. In this way, plasmid acts as a carrier of a foreign gene. And other reason for using bacteria in genetic engineering is their fast rate of reproduction. So these were the reasons that why we use bacterium Now, how do scientists insert gene into a bacterium? के scientists basically करते क्या है? क्या ये इतनी आसान बात है? The way I am telling it to you, no, it's not that easy. Now, there are some steps you can make. Number 1, number 2, number 3, right? The first step for inserting a gene into a bacterial cell is the identification and isolation. This one might be the heading. You can make it on your books. That first one is identification and isolation. सबसे पहले हमने identify करना है और isolate करना है उस gene को उस donor organism से. The first step is isolation and identification of the gene of desired protein जिसकी हमने copies बनानी है from the donor organism. ठीक है, आगे फिगर पे आप देखोगे नेक्स्ट पेज पे ये डायग्रामेटिकली भी आपको दिखाया जाएगा. An enzyme is used, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, to cut the paper. आपको सीजर चाहिए. Similarly, different तरह के enzymes होते हैं जो कि genes को cut out कर सकते हैं. An enzyme is used to cut the gene. It means enzyme is acting like a scissor. Is used to cut the gene from the donor organism. The isolated gene is then attached with plasmid DNA taken from a bacterium. Similarly, आपने अपने जो gene insert करना है उसको cut किया with the help of enzyme. And in the third step, what you did, आपने जो plasmid को separate out किया हुआ था, you are going to attach it. The same enzyme, वही enzyme जिससे आप cutting कर रहे हो, वही use होगा उसको attach करने के लिए और काटने के लिए plasmid को भी. Used for cutting the donor gene is used to cut the plasmid DNA at a specific site so that the gene can be attached at the cut end of the plasmid. Like अगर आपके पास एक circular चीज है, आप उसको U shape center से बना रहे हो, तो obviously आपने जो चीज उसमें insert करनी है, that must be like U shape. यही बात उधर लिखी हुई है. The attached gene of desired protein and the plasmid DNA are collectively called recombinant DNA. Now you can see re means again, दोबारा से, combinant दोबारा combine हो जाना. जो नया जीन बनेगा, that is known as recombinant DNA, and this DNA is inserted back into the same type of bacterium from which the plasmid was isolated. Now, in the next page, you can see the diagram. I am also sharing the page with you. Here it is, and you can see that the bacterium which takes in the recombinant DNA is called genetically modified bacterium, जिसको हम capital G और capital M से भी denote कर सकते हैं. Genetically modified bacterium और transgenic bacterium. Clear? यहाँ तक clear है बेटे सबको? Yes, class 8 बेटे, is it clear till here?
Yes, teacher.
What about Hadija? Hadija bete, is it clear? Ali, Musaf? Musaf, आपको आवाज आ रही है? This is the diagram. And as we have discussed previously, हमें क्या चीजें चाहिए? We need two kind of cells. Number one is donor cell, from which we have to take plasmid, and the other one bacterium, जहाँ पे हमने इसको insert करना है. You can see this is the donor cell, this is the nucleus, which contains chromosomes and DNA, and we are going to cut it down. Gene cut from the donor cell. ये देखें, इसको काटा हमने, and what we are going to do? We are going to add our particular desired gene, जो हमने इसके साथ attach करनी है. ये देखो bacterium से. बैक्टीरियम से हमने प्लाज्मिड लिया, प्लाज्मिड को आइसोलेट किया. अब ये वाला जो पीस हमने कट किया है, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अटैच्ड विद दिस वन एंड इट विल फॉर्म रिकम्बिनेंट डीएनए. अगेन ये जो सर्कल बनेगा, वी आर गोइंग टू इंसर्ट इट इन द अपर बैक्टीरियम एंड इट विल मेक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कॉपीज. You can see with the fraction of times it is going to be divided, and you can see we will get so many bacterial colonies which are going to be produced different kind of particular proteins vaccination के लिए जो हमें चाहिए होती हैं. Right, this is how the gene is going to be introduced. Now GM is, अभी हमने ऊपर पढ़ा genetically modified bacterium. ये जो ऊपर हमें copies मिल रही हैं, it starts dividing and produces a bacterial colony. Every bacterium of the colony contains a copy of the genes of desired protein. When bacterial colony grows, it starts making proteins under the instructions of inserted gene. In genetic engineering, genes of various useful proteins, for example, insulin, enzymes for the synthesis of various medicines, vaccinations are inserted in bacteria and desired proteins are obtained. यहाँ तक clear है बेटे? If you have any question, you can ask me right now. Is it clear till here?
Yes.
Okay, this is quite easy. अगर आप डायग्राम को देखें तो आपको याद करने में ज्यादा आसानी रहेगी. Move on the page number 37. Okay, this is the last topic we are doing today. Genetic modification and biotechnology products. What is genetic modification? You can see it is written, the change in the genes of organisms using biotechnology techniques is called genetic modification. जो हम genetically change कर देते हैं gene को by using genetic engineering, this process is known as genetic modification. The change in the genes of an organism can be produced. How it is produced? Either we are going to remove it, either we are going to add it, or either we are going to change it. ये तीन तरीके हैं जिनके थ्रू modify हो सकता है gene. It is a modern method to change the characters of organism. For example, this process is used in crops to develop resistance in plants against disease-causing organisms, microorganisms. Similarly, the improvement in the nutritional quality of edible plants. Edible means, edible का मतलब पता है किसी को? Anyone knows the meaning of edible?
Edible means eatable.
Yeah, eatable. Only Khadija जो है ना वो जाग रही है, बाकी सब सो रहे हैं. But I feel edible plants means जो पौधे जो हैं आप खा सकते हैं, is also one of the advancements of genetic modification. The organism whose genes are modified is called genetically modified organisms, and they are also used to prepare useful and life-saving products such as insulin and vaccines, etc. यहाँ तक आज हम पढ़ेंगे. अब जिनको confusion है regarding homework, they can discuss with me right now. Where is Mudassir? Mudassir is not here. Okay, now look at the whiteboard. I am sharing it with you. Okay. Now, all of you, please concentrate a little bit over here. Try to see the whiteboard. जहाँ तक मैं आपको दिखा सकती हूँ. Let me show you. Right, now you get the question. Differentiate between. This is how you are going to do it. Be very careful and please try to find out the whiteboard on your screens. Differentiate between. This is the question. You are going to write it down with the marker. First one was receptors and over here effectors. Right, now these are basically the headings: receptors and effectors. You can use red color for it. Effectors. Now what you are going to do, you are going to make bullets. Bullets का पता है, number 1 point like this. You will write down definition, heading of definition, and then you are going to write down definition. These are whatever the definition is. I am just writing these are the parts, or जो भी आपने लिखना, right? Then coming towards effectors. Effectors थोड़ा सा same, जहाँ पे आपने जैसे आपने what you have to do, you have to draw a margin line in between it, ऐसे, right? This is the way you are going to do your work. Now this is the effectors. Again, you are going to write down definition. And as I have told you previously कि अगर आप एक point का definition लिख रहे हो, you are supposed to write down the same point in the definition. These are those parts. जैसे आपने receptors की definition लिखी, similarly you are going to write down the definition over here. फिर आप क्या करेंगे, number 2 point इसका लिखेंगे. Let's say if it is example, then you will write down muscles, glands, whatever is written. ये आपने खुद ढूंढना है. So this is how you are going to differentiate between two things. ठीक है. अब second वाला let's say आपके पास था इधर, second question था आपके पास, differentiate आपने करना था let's say lungs and kidneys. So lungs you will write down over here and you are going to write down kidneys over here. ठीक है. And then you are going to explain the same points. So this is the way, proper way of board pattern, that how you are going to differentiate between two things. Clear? Is it clear, class 8? Class 8, is it clear till here, beta? Please give me a thumbs up. Ali Musaf, I didn't get. Now, let me tell you another thing. Let me clear all drawings. Okay. So, अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी how you are going to do. Let's say if I have given you the question, define genes, how you are going to write down? You are going to write down DEFINITION definition, and then in the inverted commas, you are going to start it from here.